prepared the peptide quantification consumables, now we will load the deck.
On the ICS main menu, select Peptide Quantification. At Sign-In, enter your username and select Continue.
We are ready to load the deck. Follow the prompts on the ICS.
Remove Tube Carrier 1 from the work deck and place on the benchtop. Place the Peptide Digest Assay Standard tube into slot 1 of Tube Carrier 1. Add 100 microliters of Peptide Digest Assay Standard to the Peptide Digest Assay Standard tube. Leave the tube uncapped. Uncap 8 empty tubes. Leave the tubes empty. Place into slots 2 through 9 of Tube Carrier 1. Leave slot 10 empty. Uncap 8 peptide assay reagent tubes. Place into slots 11 through 18 of Tube Carrier 1. Add 310 microliters of fluorometric peptide assay reagent to each tube. Leave the tubes uncapped. Ensure that all barcodes are visible and tubes are fully seated in the carrier. Load Tube Carrier 1 onto the auto-load tray. Pull all of the carriers onto the auto-load tray. Place the 4-well reservoir into position A3. Remove the lid. Add 10 milliliters of peptide elution solution into well 1 of the 4-well reservoir. Do not pour the entire bottle. Add 12 milliliters of fluorometric peptide assay buffer into well 4 of the 4-well reservoir. Do not pour the entire bottle. Place a black plate lid on the 4-well reservoir. Store any remaining peptide elution solution or fluorometric peptide assay buffer in the refrigerator. Place one uncovered intermediate plate into position B3 of plate carrier B. Place one uncovered black quantitation plate into position B4 of plate carrier B. If necessary, unseal the collection plate. Place the unsealed collection plate into position B5 of plate carrier B. Place one stack of 300 microliter NCTs, which is 4 racks, into position C1 of tip carrier C. Verify that all checkboxes are selected on screen. Select Continue. At the Labware check stage, verify the correct placement of each Labware item on the work deck, according to the layout shown on screen. As you verify each item, select its corresponding checkbox on screen. Select Continue. At the Begin Labware barcoding stage, confirm the barcodes are fully visible. Orient all Labware such that the barcodes are facing the barcode scanner. Confirm that each carrier is pushed forward against the stop hooks at the back of the auto-load tray. Select Continue. Barcode scanning begins. At the Peptide Quantification Setup Complete stage, close the front protective cover. Select Run to start the method. The ICS locks the front protective cover and moves the carriers from the auto-load tray to the work deck. The method takes approximately 23 minutes to complete. Do not attempt to open the front protective cover after the method starts. Doing so is unsafe and automatically aborts the method. If you must open the front protective cover, pause the method.
We loaded the deck and started peptide quantification. Next, we will dry the peptides.